You might never have heard of the water vole, but they used to be across the UK, and now they are fastest declining mammal. Of the sites that were occupied in the early 1900s, 90% of them were no longer occupied by 2000. Afonydd Menai works to engage with people, to educate them about the water voles and the threats that they face. Anglesey is a stronghold for water voles. It has 2 of the national key sites, so we aim to support that population and help it grow. We've got monitoring reps out across Anglesey and the north of Gwynedd, and we work with lots of different communities, volunteers, to educate them about the water voles and the threats that they face.
Doedd gyda fi ddim clem be I chwilio amdan, neu be o'n I fod I sbio ar. So nathon ni fynd ar y cwrdd a gweld be oedden ni gallu digonod. Nathon ni darfod y cwrdd, a nes I ddod straight yn ôl i'r allotment, a nes I fynd ar y hunt amdan water voles. I'm more excited achos nes I ffeindio fo. Dwi wedi even galw water vole neu Ginny. So mae hi efo enw. Dwi'n siŵr mae'n hogan ydy hi. Neu gobeithio bod gyda ni fwy na un. Achos bod nhw mor protected, so da ni eisiau neud siŵr bod ni, yn actually neud part ni yn protectio nhw hefyd. So dwi wedi dysgu I peidio strimio lle ti ma fod I, be da ni fod I neud I encourage nhw. Da ni wedi gobeithio, da ni wedi cael signage, achos mae lot o bobl dod yma am dro fatha ac yn explorio fyma. So at least wedyn mae'r be dwi wedi dysgu mynd ar sein, a wedyn mae'n dysgu pobl eraill a dysgu pobl fwy amdan natur. So da ni'n really excited.
The water voles wouldn't have been found here if it wasn't for Julie coming back and having a look in that area. And now we've got connections with other locals around this area and further records of water voles. All of our events aim to be hands-on, engaging, fun, give people an opportunity to really try things for themselves. And you never know, it might lead to another breakthrough like we've had here in Amlwch.